Jacqueline Severe with the Green and Gold Army. A lovely sunny day here in Johannesburg, and no visit to Johannesburg or South Africa would be complete without a visit to the very important Apartheid Museum. We've got a whole group here today to go have a look, so let's go in.
Basis of one man, one vote, they want political independence.
Do you see Africans being able to develop in this country without the Europeans being pushed?
Don't push us too far.
Good evening. A general state of emergency has been declared throughout the country. The state of emergency took effect at 1 minute past midnight this morning. This afternoon, the State President told a joint sitting of the three Houses of Parliament that he'd taken this step because he believed the ordinary laws of the land were inadequate to maintain public order in the prevailing circumstances.
Yeah, it was really good. It was quite confronting, I guess.
Eye-opening.
Yeah, not realising sort of how recently it all happened. It was pretty full on, like to think that they haven't had their freedom, you know, for over 20 years.
What an amazing exhibition. We've just been to the Apartheid Museum and you've seen a few small snippets of what we've seen. Definitely a very moving tribute to a great man.